Hey guys, Jack's your Auto Mechanic. Today we're going to be checking out this new wireless switch. It's pretty cool. I think you're going to like it. Go ahead. Looks like we got some fancy decals. You want to sticker it up? Got you covered. Pretty good instruction manual there. Got our labels. Just about anything you can think of. Spotlights, navigation lights, fog lights, radio. Even got one for the fridge. This is our panel that is completely wireless. They offer an 8 or a 12. Just about every bracket you can think of to install this thing. Screws, they even supply you with a tool. The possibilities are about endless with this thing. You can set this up to turn on separate lights, backup lights, front lights, fog lights, your winch, whatever you want.